play the first three rows. So this is our table name employees, and write a solution to display the first three rows of the data frame. So this is our input table, and this is our output, only the first three rows. Okay, so we can easily do this using a function called head. So let's call it new table, new employee, employees table, and equals this to employees dot let's call on the head function and put 3 in it. 3 and return new employees table. And that's it. Super easy easy assignment, and it's been accepted. Let's submit it to see if it will be accepted in all cases. Boom, and it's been accepted for all cases. And that's it for this one. Easy Panda problem.